You may not be in the cabinet, but you are part of Kerajaan Pakatan Harapan. You are also part of the Kerajaan Perpaduan. You see all these conflicting messages going everywhere. This is rubbish, nonsense. Sekarang ni, maybe it's a insidious sensationalization, but it looks more like a cover-up. Who's covering up now? The point is the Minister of Education must be strong here, otherwise PM Anwar have to step in. She's got to be stern. Kalau Johor Education Department is complicit in covering up, then that department must also be taken action upon. Sekarang ni macam-macam cerita tak betul. There must be a thorough investigation. What is happening? You cannot allow the school to lie like this. Okay, apparently they already lied to the authorities to say it was only agama class. Now find out chemistry dengan mathematics pun ada. You see so much nonsense here. What is the Johor Education Department doing? What is our ministry doing? Get down to this, because the more of this kind of news, conflicting punya news going here and there, it smells a cover up, and people's trust against the government is going to wane significantly. Take this tip, YB, share with your comrades. Tak dengar, then watch out lah. See what will happen next. I am very fearful of a repeat of a Sheraton move. Kalau orang tak puas hati, your nemesis are just waiting to clobber and to take advantage of the situation in order to wrestle the government balik. Tak kisah tebuk atap ke tebuk lantai ke, they will do whatever it takes to get back to power, and you know why they want to do that. So janganlah benda-benda macam ni. Let's be mindful. And I know the Minister of Education pun nak do the best she can. Maybe she needs a helping hand. Share this tip with her, please. Get down to things and find out exactly what is the matter. Kalau Johor punya education department is not reliable, they're just taking the word of the school, then they should not be the one investigating. Ministry of Education should dispatch an investigating team to get down to the matter and to see siapa penipu, just sack them. Enough is enough. This cannot be at the expense and liability of this kerajaan. Kena be strong. Sorry lah YB, I'm not teaching you apa ke. I'm just being a very concerned punya citizen and a supporter of this kerajaan. I think you may share the common aspiration and concern.